everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some ideas which will help you out in organizing your home, keeping it neat, clean and tidy. So let's get started.
Toothbrushes in the bathroom falling over and over again. When you reach to get soap and there they go. Mostly the electric toothbrush comes very expensive and because of the machinery, you just can't keep it inside the toothbrush holder. What if water goes inside and ruins it? In that case, you can use a mop holder. Yes, you heard me right, you can definitely use a mop holder for this. Just remove the peel from the back and stick it on the tiles or inside the door of your cabinets. Keeping your toothbrush in open space is good, as in this case, it would be out of insects. Now, as this holder has a great grasp which can nicely hold the toothbrush and your problem will also be solved. Who would think a mop holder can be used to hold a toothbrush, but it actually works and keep it safe as well. Do you find it difficult to clean the sink in the corners? And forcefully rotating the faucet throughout the day can definitely ruin it. So you can use this 360 rotate tab head. First, remove the existing thread from the tab and instead of that, you have to attach this tab head. Now, mine is this pull down sink tab where I can only use the tab head. If you have a tap at a height, then you can use this extendable 360 rotate tab head also. Now, this comes with 3-mode spray so that it can be adjusted to jet, shower, jet plus according to your need. Once it's attached, just rotate it to clean the deepest corners inside your sink. The shower mode can help you to clean vegetables more effectively as it throws less water and more pressure. Cleaning the mesh doors is always one of the most difficult tasks in the home. And in one of my previous videos, I had shared one hack to use lint roller. And today I am sharing one more idea to clean mesh doors. You can use this mesh screen cleaning brush. This brush has very fine funnel which goes inside the grooves and nooks to remove all the dust and dirt which gets deposited over time. But make sure to do this before cleaning your home. Because here as you can see it releases the thick dust and fumes. Just a handy tip from my side, if the mesh door is very dirty, then wet the brush and then use it over the mesh. It penetrates into every slit of the screen window for easy dust removal. How do you keep your nail paints? Do you simply keep them randomly and then you always end up losing them? Here is a way which I have been following for many years to organize them. This is a spice organizer, which I bought a long time back. But this spice organizer does not have much space and I found it difficult to organize spices in it. So I started using it to keep nail paints in it. It has a perfect space where one can keep all the nail polishes, cotton pads, and nail removers as well. Now, this has one very interesting feature. When you keep it inside the cabinet, and when you need to choose one nail paint, just pull one of the sides towards you like this, and then you can rotate it at 90 degrees, and in this way, all your nail polishes will be in front of you. Choose it, and once when you're done, just keep it back. Sometimes thinking out of the box can give you many ideas to use one thing in different ways. Making bed is the best way to start your day. But the question is how to do that perfectly. I will tell you the easiest way of making it. Spread the bedsheet on the bed. Now take the wooden spatula and tuck the sheet from the headboard side and also from the leg side. When you do so, you will see some wrinkles. So to remove them, just hold the sheet from the corner and pull it towards yourself to remove any wrinkles. Now to have that perfect corner, tuck this corner of the sheet under the mattress. Now pull this part down and make a nice crease and tuck the remaining side under the mattress. And voila, we are done. The easiest way, and you don't have to lift the mattress a lot of times. If you have rust on the knives or on the floor when you keep things like this, as this laundry hamper leaves rust marks on my bathroom's floor. To get rid of such marks, you can use the pink stuff. Just take a little bit of the pink stuff on the scrubber and spread it over the rust. Scrub for some time. And once when you're done, just take a wet cloth to clean it out. See on your own the rust has gone completely. The pink stuff is completely free from any harmful chemicals, which makes it extremely safe to use it anywhere without wearing the gloves. When you use your hair straightener or curling rod, keeping the hot tool back on the shelf or anywhere is not safe. It can cause injuries also. So here again you can use a mop holder to nicely organize all your heating tools. Remove the peel from the back and then open the door of your dressing table. Now here inside the cabinet door you can nicely fix this mop holder. Put the curling rod here. It is safe and gets a perfect place in case you were not having an alternate place to organize your hot tools. It also comes with a nice hook where you can hang your wires. As I have mentioned it many times before that the pink stuff can be used around the home to clean mostly everything. So I'm going to show how it can also clean the brass articles within few minutes. Take a little bit of it on the scrubber and put it on the brass article. Now scrub it for a minute or so and see how the pink stuff is cleaning the brass and making it look all new again. Once when you're done, just clean it with the normal tap water. Tissues are one of the necessities to keep in home for various reasons. So what if you make it more like some kind of decor piece in your living room or in your bedroom? Just take a beautiful glass bowl, take your tissues and pull out the top tissue from here. Now fold them like this and once when you're done, just keep it inside the bowl. Voila, your beautiful decor is ready and the necessity has been taken care of in such a beautiful decorative way. You can keep it on your bedside table or in your foyer for your guests.
This is all for today's video and I really hope you are going to find all these ideas useful. If you like today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. This is it. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.